The capercaillie, a majestic of the northern forests, begins its mating ritual. His booming... The Himalayan monal, a bird of vibrant beauty, native to the rugged peaks. The striking vulturine guinea fowl, native to East Africa, roam their dry, rocky habitat. Watch their iridescent plumes catch the sunlight.
The quail-like bird walks along the dusty path, its patterned feathers blending with the surroundings.
Keep your eyes peeled, my dear. Just need to find a few more seeds.
The Kalij pheasant, a majestic game bird, is often found foraging in the dense forests of the Himalayas. The black grouse, a striking bird of the northern wetlands, searches for sustenance as the seasons change.